Hey there! In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to change the image sequences and the category sequences within a specific gallery. So to get started, we're going to go into the Photos tab, then into the Galleries page, and we're going to go ahead and modify the sequence of the images in the Birch Family gallery. Here we can see the list of different categories that are in the gallery, and if we'd like to rearrange those, we simply click and drag the category to where we'd like it to be. Now to rearrange the sequence of the images within the gallery, we click on the name of the category, and we can see the list of images that are within this category. If we want to change them around, simply click the images that we'd like to move, drag them to where we'd like to move them. We can do that for one image or multiple images. If you're looking at the list view instead of the grid view, we'll click into the list view here, and then we can do the same thing. We simply select the images that we'd like to move, and click and drag them to the place we'd like them to be. And that's as easy as it is. Shoot an email to support@instaproofs.com if you have any questions.